Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Harmony One Daily Update. Before we begin, join our monthly subscription. You get easy profits with automated signal buying opportunities, personal guidance, educational videos, and many more. Also guys, join our Telegram group chat. Link is in the description down below as well. For the first one, it is buymeacoffee/mindyourcrypto. You will find it out. Only 50 people can join in and you can cancel your monthly subscription anytime you like. And on the second one, grow together, guys. Mind Your Crypto, grow together. We are a team that grows together every day and we help each other. Hit the like button and subscribe if you like the content. Let's go right now to see the previews, yesterday's daily update, how it went. So I told you guys, in case we make this as support level, we are going around 9.2 cents, right? If you remember correctly, I was saying around there. We almost closed a little bit above at 0.09247 around there, and then we went down. So eventually guys, we hit our target after making this as support level, which was pretty nice and pretty good. I am so excited about that. And right now we want to find, I will delete all of this, right? I will actually remove all of the drawings because I want to find major support levels in case we correct a little bit more, right? And I will just draw my Fibonacci retracement from this bottom right here to this top, and eventually we have some significant support levels, the 7.57 cents and the 6.5, and of course we have one resistance level in case we make this as support, the 10.4 cents, guys. Okay, so the volume, it was increasing a little bit. Now it tends to decrease, as you can see the moving average right here, and on the MACD we are looking very good, but we might have a bearish cross right there. And of course we don't want to go all the way down, because if we go all the way down, that means we will lose many significant support levels. Okay, so let's go now to one USDT chart. You can see we are on the 4-hour frame, guys. We are still in an oversold, actually between minus 100 and 100. We are not in an oversold or in an overbought situation. Here we were in an overbought situation. We had a very high risk. The RSI was also in a very high risk as well. That's why we corrected a little bit, and we want to see right now whether we can hold here and have one more swing high for the RSI as well and for Harmony One, or we will go down from there. Okay, so for now stochastic RSI is going down to an oversold situation, not now at all, and all of these index, guys, are between their normal limits, and we can't decide whether we are going upwards or downwards with the risk metrics. So they are pretty little useless right now, but they were very useful before that. We had a very actually high risk. So let's go to the daily frame. On the daily frame, we had a buying opportunity according to the SSL HYBRID right here, the indicator, and we haven't yet seen an arrow, a red arrow right here to sell our position, right? Because I've told you guys multiple times that the SSL HYBRID actually is a little bit good on buying opportunities, but a little bit bad on when to sell, on selling opportunities, and when to short our position, right? So eventually you should just follow it when we have the blue arrows, but on the red arrows it waits a little bit and you might have lost a nice time to sell your profits around there, for example. Okay, so for now let's see a little bit the Bollinger bands. You can see when we extend the top line of the Bollinger bands, we are correcting, and when we are not in an impulsive wave, we are correcting, right? And therefore that's what we should expect for Harmony One in the daily frame. The RSI, as you can see, is between 30 and 70. So according to the daily RSI, we can still grow more. The daily is different from the 4-hour frame, guys, because on the daily frame you are looking more of a midterm, while on the 4-hour frame for the short term. Okay, so therefore on the midterm we have more room to grow, but on the commodity channel index you can see that we have a very high risk on the daily commodity channel index as well. Same here for the stochastic RSI, so we should be careful. The MACD was looking good, but we want to see eventually if we can't keep going forward upwards, or we will have a bearish cross soon. Okay, so one Bitcoin chart. This is the reason, guys, that we were moving upwards. You can see that we reached almost this price level right here, 0.50275, and you can see we had one more 0.50304. And of course guys, if we just correct furthermore, then this will mean that we can go to the 0.0250 actually 231, and you can see the next one. These are our major price levels, and especially the 0.618 golden ratio right here. Okay, so for now we want to hold and we want to go down to the support levels right here. As you can see on the RSI, we are between 1370, same for the commodity channel index between -100 and 100. And of course we had a buying here, we had a top on the stochastic RSI. Now we are going down. Let's go a little bit to one Bitcoin chart on the daily frame. And on the daily frame, as you can see guys right here, we are approaching a top because of the commodity channel index, and we might correct a little bit here as well for Harmony 1 Bitcoin chart. This will mean that we might follow Bitcoin more, and we will depend a lot on Bitcoin, because here we outperform Bitcoin due to the Binance listing, you know, for Harmony, and therefore we went upwards. On the daily, you can see the one Bitcoin chart. On the stochastic RSI, we are above into an overbought situation at 100 for the stochastic RSI as well. So we have we have a very huge high risk right there for one Bitcoin chart. Let's go to the price analysis quickly. So on the price analysis, you know what I did. I've drawn my Fibonacci from the bottom to the top in order to find major support levels. And I will look a little bit the Bitcoin, but we don't have to look it for now because we are still outperforming Bitcoin, but now we are correcting a little bit actually for one Bitcoin chart. Therefore, it is very possible, guys, to go to 77.5 for me, 7 cents, and maybe the 6.5. We'll see about that. Our major support level is the 7 cents. So eventually, guys, what you want to do is to wait a little bit till we get to these price labels over here. The reason is this for our bearish candles right there. Okay, so we have some bearish candles right there, guys, and of course I am expecting one to go a little bit further down. So we just managed to find the 9.4 around there, guys, 9.3 actually almost, and then we just went down. We closed a little bit above the 9.2 that we talked about yesterday, and now we are just correcting. We should be careful, guys. We should be careful from now on. 7.5, 7 and 6.5 are our price targets for the short term. And of course, you know, guys, I always want to be honest with you. If you've bought around here, what you should do is not to sell your position. Okay, never sell your position, but with the way you should cover up your loss is just invest a little bit money here, more money here, and eventually as we go down more and more. Okay, so in that way, guys, in the midterm, in the next few days or in the next few weeks, you will cover up your loss. You just need a little bit patience, right? So for Harmony 1 right now, we might be correcting a little bit here, and of course, because we are correcting a little bit for one Bitcoin chart as well, we want to see now eventually if we can retest the 7 cents, 6.5, 7.5. I believe we will be going down here, and most likely maybe we're going to stop at 7 cents, but we will see about that because it was our previous high, as you can see here on the previous swing high. All right, so you can see that we had this swing high, we stopped at the 7 cents, then we consolidated a bit till we get a further pump up for Harmony 1. Okay, so for now I do believe, guys, that we might go further down a little bit. We might correct, so you should be careful. I always want to be honest with you, and I don't want to be the classical moon boy. So if you want to join our Telegram group chat, link is in the description down below. For the monthly subscription, link is in the description down below as well, and hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.